Hello my students, how are you? Grade 5. Today we'll explain from the Dakahlia government model number 10. Number 1, show the correct answer. 79 431 thousandths approximated with the nearest hundredths. 3 here lies in hundredth place. 1 and give 1 to left hand side, 1 less than 5. Give 1. The answer will be 79 and 43 hundredths. Look at with me about steps. Here first number we have 79 and 431 approximated to the nearest hundredths. 1 can give it 1 to 3, then the result will be 7, 9.4 and 3. 79 and 43 hundredths. Choose letter B. Next question, letter B, 29 and 8 hundredths divided by 100ths. It's meaning product by 100 divided by 100. It's equivalent to 29.08 product by 100. To find the answer, move the point right hand side by 2 places. Okay, move the point right hand side by 2 places. Move here, it will be 2908. The result will be 2908. 2908. Choose letter D. Okay. Next question, number 3. 36 and 25 hundredths. In standard form will be what? We have here, look at 36 and 25 hundredths. 36 and 25 hundredths. On the first day, Amira ran a distance of 2 and 569 kilometers. 2 and 569 thousandths kilometer. And on the second day, she ran a distance of 1 and 269 thousandths kilometer. What is the total distance in meters? He won't find answer in meters. You can convert from kilometer to meter by product by 1000. Okay, look at here. We have 2 and 569 thousandths. 8 to 1 and 269 thousandths. You can collect the answer to find by kilometer and then convert from kilometer to meter product by 1000. 9 plus 9 18, 8 and the carry up 1, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 6 13, 3 and the carry up 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 equal 8 and 1 plus 2 3. This kilometer to convert from kilometer to meter product by 1000. 3.838 product by 1000. Move the point right hand side by 3 places. 38 3 8. The result will be 3838. And the unit here will be meter. Next question. Choose the correct answer. 4 liter equal what milliliter? 4 liter, it will be 4000 milliliter. To convert from liter to milliliter, product by 1000. Next question. The rule for the following pattern: 4, 7, 10, 13. He eats 3 all the time. Eats 3. All the times he eats 3. In the operation addition. 3. Choose letter E. Value of the variable n in the equation. In here, we can find the value of n by finding the difference between 3 and 99 hundredths and 1.9. Write 0 to equal parts. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 3 minus 1 equal 2. Then the answer will be 2.09. Next question. Ahmed put 9 beans of the same type. Look at this question. Here is this question. Understood. about the distance here. You must product by 1000 to convert from kilometer to meter, like 1269. I will product by 1000 this decimal number. Also, you can solve the example by this method also. Product by 1000 first and then collect, plus 2569. Okay, we can product by 1000 as the first step. To find the read units will be meter. 9 plus 9, 18, 8 and the carry of 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 3 and the carry of 1, 6 plus 2 equal 8, and then 2 plus 1, 3. Next question. Look at with me about next question here. We solve this. Put 9 beans of the same type. If the price of one bean is 4.5 pounds, how much money will Ahmed pay? We can product together. 9 product by 4.5. 5 times 9 is 45. Write 5 and the carry of 4. And 4 times 9 36. 36 plus 4 is 40. And the answer will be 40.5 pounds. 40.5 pounds. Next question. Choose the correct answer. 550 divided by 20 or 550 divided by 10. We know 55 divided by 2 equivalent to 550 divided by 20 divided by 10. Numerator and denominator, simple as it. 55 over 2 and here divided by 10, it will be 55. Then half of 55 less than 55. Less than, it shows the sign here, less than. Next question. The sleeping train consists of 15 carriages and each carriage has 44 seats. So the number of seats in the train equal to. We can find the number of seats by product together, 15 and 44. 15 product by 44. Okay, right, 55 times 44. You know, the sleeping train consists of 15 carriages and each carriage has 44 seats. We want to find the total number of seats. Product the number of carriages and the number of seats in each carriage. 4 times 5 20, 0 and the carry up 2. 4 times 5 20, 20 plus 2 is 22. And then collect other 4 times 5 20, 0 and the carry up 2. 4 times 5 20 plus 2 equal 22. And then collect together. The result will be 2420 seats. Next example. The prime number whose sum of factors 8. We اختار here 7 because 7 equal 1 times 7. We have two factors. If we add 1 plus 7 equal 8. Okay, then the number we called it prime number. You know prime number 7. Prime number has only two factors. Then a prime number whose sum of factors 8 is 7 because 7 equal 1 times 7 and 1 plus 7 equal 8. The answer will be letter B. Choose letter B. Next question. Find the least common multiplication and greatest common factor for two numbers 6 and 8. 6 and 8, the common factor between them equal to 6 equal 2 product by 3 and 8 equal 2 times 2 times 2. You can do like this operation. Then the greatest common factor it will be 2 and the least common multiplication between them product by 2, 2 by 3 by 2 by 2. 2 times 3 6, 6 times 4 equal 24. And the least common multiplication between them equal 24. Next question. Find greatest common factor of 9 and 6. The greatest common factor of 9 and 6, it will be 3. 9 equal 3 product by 3 and 6 equivalent 3 product by 2. Then the greatest common factor between them equals 3. The common factor between them equals 3. Next question. The mass of a box of mangoes is 9 kilogram. What is the mass of 1000 boxes of the same type? We can find the total amount by product the number of boxes, 9, by the weight of each one. Okay, 1000. Product together, it will be 9,000 kilogram. The weight of, we have 9 boxes or 1000 boxes. The weight of each one, 9 kilogram. Then the weight of 9 boxes, it will be, or 1000 boxes, 1000 times 9 is will be 9000 kilogram. Question 5. Russia put 242 kilogram of flour. Then added 3 tenths kilogram of flour to them. Find the mass of the flour we can collect together. 2.4 and 2 plus 3.2. We can equal parts, write 0 plus 2 equal 2, and 2 plus 4 equal 6, and 3 plus 2, 5. The total amount will be 5 and 62 kilogram. Teacher 1 distribute 240 prizes equally among 6 classes. Find the number of prizes each session gets. We can divide it 240 by 6. 24 divided by 6, 4, and then write 0. Then the number of prizes will be 40 prizes. 40 prizes. Next question. Okay, it's the last question now.